Peace, queens and kings, if you stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. Ladies, you know, when it comes to glam, your sister is all about it when it comes to wigs and makeup. That's just what your girl likes. Now, I was, running low on some stuff. So I had to do a little, shall I say, re-up with my peeps. My favorite store, Ulta Beauty. So, come back and find out what it is your sister picked up. Get in here, remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on future content. And if you like this wig, I did a video on that too. You don't want to miss it. Now I am going to show you, because like Ulta says, the possibilities are beautiful and helping to make you beautiful. Well, you beautiful inside and out regardless of the makeup. You know, one of the things that I really want to say, my channel is about feeling good. It's about feeling good with your lifestyle, mind, body, and soul. It's about, feeling good with your hair and having options. And also when it comes to makeup, because for me, makeup is very therapeutic, especially when it came time for the pandemic. And well, not when it came time for it. We just didn't, poor choice of words. We wasn't expecting that, but it did a lot to us in our mental health. And many of us, we worked out like crazy. Some of us, we created businesses. And like myself, I really got more into my content with my YouTube channel, TikTok and all these other outlets. But when it came to music, makeup, and looking at, the different makeup videos and many of the other content creators that I really admire and the work that they do, it really helped to, sharpen up my skills a little bit. I'm not perfect, didn't get a degree or license in this, but like many content creators, you can definitely train yourself, study, learn, and really enhance your techniques. Everyone's different. Everyone's techniques and methods to applying makeup may be different. You have to do what pleases you and the looks that you like. But it has nothing to do with not loving myself as a beautiful Black queen. I know who I am. I'm very secure in that. But to me, makeup is creative. It's artistic. I was one to love art, drawing, writing, all of that, and even acting. From when I was young all the way up until now. And to me, makeup is another form of art instead of a mural or paper or some type of canvas. It's your face. Your face is the canvas. So whether you love being natural and just use moisturizers, creams, shea butters, and what have you, the beauty is more about what's within than what's on the outside. But for me, it's therapeutic, it's fun, and I like it. So that's my business. So that's why I do it. Now, people may, do it maybe to get attention. Sometimes, some think that women love makeup to try to catch the attention of men. To be honest, we sharing content and tips with each other as women more so than men. A lot of men don't even like makeup. So why would we do it for that? I don't get inboxed or hit up at because I'm doing makeup content. It has nothing to do that. To each its own. I just find it fun. Like I said, it really relaxes me. It's common to me, and it's really therapeutic. It takes my mind off of issues, and it's fun, and I like the results. And it helps me to learn different things, whether it's a dramatic look or something for the evening or something more natural, something more colorful. I'm not into a whole lot of crazy colors. Sometimes I try to do makeup based on what I'm wearing for that day, but it's all up to the individual, right? So I just thought I'd say that when it comes to makeup for anyone who may be wondering, because you know, I've gotten some comments, you know, especially sometimes we like, you don't like yourself natural, queen. You know, yeah, I love myself natural, but sometimes we want to enhance things. You know, we may have blemishes, we may have circles, we may have things that we want to not totally take away, especially if you have beauty marks and freckles and things of that nature. You want that to shine through. But, you know, sometimes we don't want all those little ugly flaws showing. It's a part of us, but if we don't want to, we have the option to cover it up. Okay? Remember that. First thing, beauty is what? Within. Now, this is what I picked up. Now, one of the things I love about Ulta is you get some nice little samples. And so before you do anything to your skin when it comes to makeup, make sure you clean, ladies. Make sure you moisturize, especially those who are over 50 like myself. Some of us be going through that menopause era, and we go through a lot of changes, hormonal changes, because of that lack of estrogen and, you know, collagen. So we really want to help replenish those things, and, you know, moisturizing is really key. So one of the samples that I was given that I want to share was this Estee Lauder. I haven't tried this yet, but it's Estee Lauder Nutritious Melting Soft Cream and Mask. So I'll follow back up with that once I use it to let you know how it is. But they gave me several samples of that, and that's really, I like Estee Lauder products. Speaking of Estee Lauder, I went to look for Huda Beauty. Because many of the ladies that I follow, Huda Beauty powder, setting powder on the skin leaves it flawless and absolutely beautiful. But Ulta doesn't carry that. But one of the things that they suggested was the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation. When I tell you, they put a lighter color in my under my eye area, and then the rest for the face, because I said I usually conceal and do a lighter one under my eyes when I highlight, and then a darker pressed powder on the face and cheek area. So they did two different color powders, but I got this one for the overall over the face because so, you know, since it's trying to budget, I think this was about 44 bucks. So this powder, when they put it in my face, talk about silky smooth, matte, beautiful finish. It was absolutely amazing. So this is, the color for me is Sandalwood. So this what I got. It's beautiful. So if, you know, outside of your regular pressed powders that you may use, give this Estee Lauder a try. Go in there, have the representative put it on you, see how you like it, and test the color. I loved it. It was beautiful on me, so I picked it up, and I love this case. Nice matte. It's like a deep, it's a blue, like a dark blue and gold, but beautiful compact. Next, what did I get? My Old Faithful. I ran out, and let me know, what's your favorite pressed powder? Put in the comments. I love when it comes to concealers, the Born This Way from Too Faced. Let me tell you something. This multi-use sculpting concealer is absolutely flawless. I get Warm Sand. This is what it looks like. This is the color for me, if you can see. Yeah, and I get Sandalwood, and I use that concealer over the eyes, down the nose, the forehead, you know, over the lip, and the chin. All those highlighted areas that bring the light to your face. This is what concealer does, and it helps, you know, discoloration under the eyes. But this helps to, you know, contour, highlight, retouch, and conceal. So it's multi-purposes. You can use this, but when I tell you, for a flawless finish, beautiful, smooth satin finish, this Born This Way by Too Faced is absolutely amazing. So this is my go-to concealer. If you like this, let me know in the comments. Next, I picked up Better Than Sex. It's by Too Faced as well. This I got the waterproof one, because the one that's pink is not waterproof, but it's mascara, voluminous. It's supposed to increase the volume by 97% with your natural lashes. So for those ladies who do not like to wear lashes, try this Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. Really nice. And let's check out the brush. One of those kind of like figure 8 brushes. So it gives a lot of volume. So I picked that up. Next is some NYX products. I got the micro brow pencil for my brows. It's very thin, the point, so that's good when it comes to you know, making those hairline strokes to your brows. So if you want to give those natural that natural effect to your brows, you see how thin it is. Here is the point. See? Skinny that point is. Yep. And then to brush those brows, get those strokes just right in the front, smooth it out, have your bristle on the end. And then these are some brown liners. I love to use these for my lips. So I got one in, I think they're 2 different browns I got. What did I get? I got an espresso because I can use these on my brows, and I got the regular brown for my lips, but I got this dark brown to pencil in my brows as well. So both of these are for the lips, and you can do either one, but the espresso would be a little darker. Depends on what kind of lip color I'm using. Maybe if I get a deeper one or a little more on the redder side, I would use an espresso. But I'll also use this for my eyes if I can. Sometimes we women get a little versatile. We let our money coins stretch. So sometimes it's brows, sometimes it may be lips. So that's what I got with those 2 different pencils. Remember, one is for precision with the skinny, and that's really good for the brows, especially when it comes to making those hairline strokes. And I didn't get a whole lot this trip, but it still cost me enough just for this. But these were the things that I really needed. And I got some MORPHE setting spray. Yeah, it holds up pretty good. MORPHE spray. Also, I love the Charlotte Tilbury, but Ulta didn't have that either, so I gotta go online or go to Sephora to pick that up, because I definitely love that Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It is amazing. So tell me what setting spray you like. What's your favorite lip liner, eyebrow brow pencil? What's your favorite press powder, concealer, and mascara? So those are some of the things that I got from Ulta. Let me know what are some of the things you picked up lately. So again, family, thanks for stopping by. Remember, be authentically you and live the life you deserve. Until next time.